Cibrán de las Castro was located between the councils of Punxín and San Amaro in the province of Ourense. It has an extension of 10 hectares, about 100,000 square meters more or less.
Florentino López Cuevillas and Vicente Martínez Risco started their first excavations to Castro in 1921, with later Joaquín Lorenzo continued between 1948 and 1950.
His occupation was from the 2nd century BC to the 2nd century AC.
It reached its importance in the 1st century AC.
In the Castro, there are two main parts: the Croa and the external parts of the Croa.
The Croa is the central enclosure. It is surrounded by a wall of 3.5 meters of thickness.
In this the castration made offering to the gods.
Outside the Croa, the external walls and its door are the most important parts, with access to the tower which were guarded.
Also the streets were covered. And the homes were circular, square or oval, with fire pits to make fire. Lastly, the importance of the fountain of water inside the mine. It was made of stone. With stairs for easy access.
Between the years of 1950 and 1980, the Castro was practically abandoned and robbed of many materials. Because of this,